Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome GPU process high usage, step by step. If your Chrome is using too much GPU, slowing down your PC, or causing laggy videos, yeah, this guide will help you optimize performance. First, open Google Chrome and type chrome://settings/system in the address bar. Press enter. Here, you'll see use hardware acceleration when available. Try toggling this option off first. Hardware acceleration can improve performance sometimes, but on some systems, it increases GPU usage. So yeah, testing both on and off helps. Next, restart Chrome after changing the setting. Open Task Manager in Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac to check GPU usage. You should see improvement immediately. Now check your extensions. Too many active extensions can stress the GPU. Go to Chrome://extensions and disable unnecessary ones. Especially extensions that modify visuals like themes or animations can cause high GPU load. After that, update Chrome. Go to Chrome://settings/help. Running the latest version ensures performance optimizations and bug fixes. Outdated Chrome can sometimes overuse GPU. If the problem persists, try disabling Chrome's smooth scrolling and animations. Go to Chrome://flags, search for smooth scrolling, and disable it. Also, disable experimental features that rely on GPU acceleration. Finally, consider resetting Chrome settings. Go to Settings Arrow Reset and clean up Arrow Restore settings to their original defaults. This removes misconfigurations that may cause GPU overuse without deleting your bookmarks or passwords. And that's it. By toggling hardware acceleration, managing extensions, updating Chrome, and disabling unnecessary flags, you can fix GPU process high usage, and make Chrome run smoothly again. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome performance tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.